Welcome to this short tips and tricks video on the Command F search function in browser windows. For information on all our how-to video guides, please visit www.sagaciti.co.uk. The Insight software contains a lot of useful information. You can access the view levels from the rag matrix here by selecting the sub-element, and that opens all the elements underneath at the whole packs level. If you press Command F or Ctrl F for Windows at the same time on your keyboard, you'll see a small search window come up at the top. This is common on all browsers, and it allows you to search everything that you've got open in the browser beneath it. So we're going to search for the word champion. You can see it tells us there's 3 matches in what we have open, and it highlights them in yellow, and you can select the next one just by simply clicking on the arrow. What's pretty helpful for the toolkit here is that it also shows where you've added the same phrase in the rationale evidence box. So if it's on the browser underneath it, this search will find it. So here we're going to look for process maps. You can see we've got 9 matches, and you can see them on the screen here, or you can quickly flick between them. Again, it also picks up the one that's in the evidence box. It's important to know actually that it will only search the browser that you've got open. So in the Insight software, if you select the principal view and search process maps, you'll see it's telling you it's not found. And that's because it's only searching the information that's open in the browser. So go back to sub-element view, refresh the search, and you can see it picks up the 9 we found just now. This can be used in all the screens, in all the browsers. We hope that helps, but if you require any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@sagaciti.co.uk.